هذه هدية لسالم برواني، رجعتها من السلامة من العملية، وإن شاء الله تعجبكم.
شاكيك اليوم؟ شوف الجو كيف؟ ما تشوف الجو شاكيك ولا ماشي؟ هذا كل شيء خلاص مو نقدر. Time in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shines. We were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We blister in the sun, we couldn't wait for night to come. We were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Not thinking Alabama all summer long. هذا عشان خبرة انه كان يسوق الجيب قبل.
بلادي.
I've got nothing left to lose. Someone please start making sense and beg